Hello all, welcome to this YouTube channel. I am Jitendra. I keep posting the videos related to ESIC, having latest and up-to-date information. Please subscribe to this channel. I have Telegram channel also, on which I post the links to the videos that I post on YouTube. By subscribing to the Telegram channel, you will be able to receive direct links on your mobile to the videos that I post on YouTube. Also, if you have any doubts about any of the ESIC schemes, any benefits or any other aspects related to ESIC, you can directly get in touch with me on the contact details that are displayed on the screen. Today's video is about unemployment scheme under ESIC. It is known as Atal Bimit Vyakti Yojana, and in this video we will see what are the relaxation that the government has granted in this scheme, what are latest instruction about it, and frequently asked questions about the scheme by the beneficiaries. All those things we will see in this video. I had posted a video on Atal Bimit Vyakti Yojana on the basis of press release by the ESIC. That was about 1.5 months back. That time the clarity on instruction, gazetted notification and other doubts were not resolved. So information that was disclosed and that was shared with you was based on the previous information. Now that the gazetted notification and many such clarifications have come from the department, the information in this video is up to date. If you find any contradiction between the information that was given previously through last video and this video, you can definitely follow this one. Now, as you know that on 25th of March, the lockdown was imposed all through nation due to COVID-19 pandemic. Many business activities got closed. Many employees left their job due to fear. Many were restrained from opening their offices and working. And so many things happened that the business activities and industry could not run normally. It has caused hardship to the employees. When the job is lost, the employee suffers. His financial planning collapses. There is loss of job, also causes stress on his saving. In such way, many employees have suffered. Now in such a scenario, there should be something to help out the employees. The very purpose of the ESI Act is to give benefits during the sickness, employment injury, maternity and other such issues. And ESIC already had two such schemes related to loss of jobs. One scheme is Atal Bimit Vyakti Yojana and the other scheme is Rajiv Gandhi Shramik Kalyan Yojana. The Rajiv Gandhi Shramik Kalyan Yojana is concerned mostly about permanent closure of the factory, retrenchment and loss of earning capacity due to non-employment injury. I have already posted a video by the name of unemployment allowance. Link to that video you can find in the description of this video. Current video is about Atal Bimit Vyakti Yojana, an unemployment allowance scheme which the government is aggressively promoting. Government has relaxed certain contributory conditions and it has also enhanced the rate of benefit that was payable under this scheme. Now exactly what kind of relaxations have been granted, how the benefit has been enhanced, what are the eligibility criteria, and the gazetted notification that has been released on the government on 14th October 2020 are all the issues that are being discussed in this video. So previously the norms for availing Atal Bimit Vyakti Yojana were little stringent. An employee has to have worked for 2 years and in past 4 contribution periods he has to have contributed 78 days in each contribution period. Now that condition has been relaxed by the government and now only condition for eligibility is 2 years service with preceding one contribution period having contribution of more than 78 days and any one of the preceding 3 contribution periods should have been paid for more than 78 days. So you can understand that through this table on the screen. If you want to know more about and what is contribution period and what is benefit period, you can refer to the video that I have posted on this channel. You can see the link for more details, or else you can just go through the table. You will understand what are the benefit periods and what are the contribution period corresponding to the benefit period. So this is the first relaxation that has been granted. Second is previously the claim would become payable after 90 days. So it was long period. Government has reduced to 30 days so that the employee gets benefit immediately after 30 days of unemployment. government has relaxed this norm. He doesn't have to wait for that long, so it will relieve him of the financial stress little earlier in comparison to previous provisions. Third is, there was a necessity that employee has to forward his claim through employer. Employer would certify that this is the person, he was working with me, his insurance number is this, a contribution in respect of him has been paid for so and so period, and he has been rendered unemployed because of these reasons. So this type of certificate employer would write and forward it to the ESIC. Now that has been changed. The responsibility for verifying the data related to contributory record and other submission that employee does while claiming the benefit is given to the ESIC. This will save a lot of time for employees who want to claim the benefit, because suppose a person is staying in Gujarat and he was working in Maharashtra. So if he has left for his village or town in Gujarat, he will not come back to Maharashtra just to get his claim forwarded to the ESIC office. Or once he has left the employment, the employer might not support him, or there may be any reason, any inconvenience to the employee to bring that details to ESIC. So this claim getting forwarded through employer was little problematic for worker, particularly migrant workers. So now that problem has been resolved. It will help migrant workers to submit their claims. They have to submit their claims by post or in person. The copies of the self-attested Aadhaar card and bank detail are to be enclosed with the claim, and rest of the things will be verified by the ESIC. So this is another relaxation that has been given. And again, if you don't go to the ESIC office, how they will identify you that this is the person who is claiming benefit? So in that respect, it has been made clear that bank account detail and Aadhaar card based identity is sufficient. Once his bank details and Aadhaar cards are verified, then payment will go to that account directly. So there is no need of physical presence of the IP. So this saves a lot of hardship to the IP, and it is use of technology for granting benefit to the respective persons. These are the relaxation that are granted in terms of eligibility criteria. Another effort of government is to enhance the rate of benefit. Government has enhanced the rate of benefit under this scheme to 50% of average daily wages. Previously it was 25%. So how that is calculated is shown on the screen. You can just see a person who has been working for last 2 years has earned 1,84,000 rupees in 2 years. Number of days is 730. So 1,84,000 is divided by total number of days. That brings us 252, which is his average daily rate of earning for past 2 years. So if he goes to claim benefit to ESIC, ESIC will give him benefit at the rate of 50% of average daily wages. That means 50% of 252. This will come to 126 rupees. A person who is claiming benefit for 30 days will get benefit amount of 126 rupees multiplied by 30 into his account. So this is how the amount of benefit is calculated. You can understand it better from the details shown on the screen. This is how the rates are calculated. Now we'll try to understand some important points based on the notification and the clarification given by the department. First important thing is that the scheme was valid till 30th of June 2020. Initially it was launched with effect 1st of July 2018 for the period of 2 years, and it was supposed to have come to end by 30th of June 2020. However, this notification extends the scheme till 30th of June 2021. Now this scheme has been extended by 1 year, but the relaxation that have been granted through this notification are valid only for the period starting from 24th of March 2020 to 31st of December 2020. So any claims which are coming after 1st of January 2021 till 30th of June 2021 will be evaluated according to the older conditions. So these relaxations are temporary relief to the employees who have lost their jobs. It is not permanent. It is only till 31st of December 2021. Another clarification important part, that those people who have not lost their jobs but who were not paid during the period of lockdown or lockout are not eligible to claim. It is important here to understand that those persons who are being governed by no work no pay norms are not eligible to claim unemployment allowance because their job is not gone. It is just that they are not working. So lockdown or lockout, in both cases the employees cannot claim the benefit. Then if employer has contributed to EPFO for employees, it means those employees are still in employment, and so those persons for whom employer has paid EPFO contribution are also not eligible to claim benefit under unemployment allowance. If the employee has not been removed by the employer from the service on ESI portal and employer has shown him with zero contribution, those also will not get any benefit under this scheme. Because employer, if he has removed employee, then he should have exited that IP from portal also. If employer has not exited that IP and showed no work or zero contribution for any such reason, then those employees will also not get any benefit under this scheme. Then any person who wants to claim this benefit will be able to claim the benefit after clear unemployment of 30 days. So a person who has lost his job on suppose 15th of June will be able to create claim on system only after gap of 30 days. But there is another problem here, that unemployment allowance claim can only be created for complete calendar month. So even if that person creates claim on 15th of July, he will not be able to create claim. If he wants to create unemployment claim, he has to claim it for 1st of July to 31st of July, 1st of August to 31st of August. Likewise, so complete calendar month has to be there, and unemployment period should be more than 30 days. Mere creation of claim does not guarantee that the amount of benefit will be transferred to your account. You create a claim, you submit certain information to ESIC like your bank detail, your Aadhaar card and your declaration saying that you have worked for so many days and you have paid so much of contribution to ESIC and the cause of unemployment is so and so. Everything is submitted in your claim. So all these things are to fall in order. They are to be verified by the manager with the records of the employer. If employer's record and the record submitted by the employee do not match, in that case manager may not approve the claim. Manager has to accept your claim and pass that claim, then only the amount will come to your account. And this is asked by many employees. It is regarding those who have resigned, will they get the benefit, or those who have taken voluntary retirement. It should be clear here that the department has clarified it. You can see it on screen that such persons who have voluntarily retired or who have resigned from their jobs may also be eligible. Those who have resigned but they have not been given any terminal benefits like gratuity, leave encashment or any other amount payable to them by the employer as per terms of agreement, then they will get this benefit from ESIC. So thus, even in case of resignation or voluntary retirement, this benefit is payable if retirement benefits or compensation is not paid by the employer. There are few more videos on this channel which will help you understand this video better. First is the video on Atal Bimit Vyakti Yojana, which was released previously by me. It will show you how the claim is to be created in system, how portal looks, how to log into it and how to go about creating claim. The second is benefit period and contribution period in ESIC. That video will help you understand how the eligibility for benefits is decided in ESIC, what are contribution rates, what is contribution period, what is benefit period. All these details will be clarified through that video. And third video, an important video, is about IP portal. It is about looking for your own information in ESIC portal and how to know your own entitlement for different benefits under ESI scheme. So all these videos will also be helpful to you. You can go through them. For any other details, feedback or queries, please contact me. The contact details are being shown here. Spread this video more and more so that more and more persons will come to know about ESIC and can avail this benefit. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.